band in Winkles. I started here, I think, in 1995, on and off. Didn't know what I wanted to do. Left for the military and came back, and then came here full-time in 2009 and graduated last year, 2012, with a biology degree. A lot of things were helpful here at Columbia, like the proximity to the teachers, just the willingness of them to talk to us and spend time with us. It's a lot different later on. I don't see my teachers except in class. That and the amazing tutoring center. They have, like for the biology program, they have tutoring and supplemental instruction for, I think, just about every biology class and chemistry class. So I know that helps quite a few people. It helped me.
I'm Heather Winkles. Came here to Columbia College part-time, I would say, in probably, was it 97 or 98? Something like that, when she was a toddler at the toddler center. And I was doing child development initially, and then changed my interest into nursing after I had Shannon. Decided I wanted to go into a different field, do something more for our family that we could provide more for ourselves. Everything kind of fell into place right at the right time for our family. I was the first group through the satellite program. It was a little rocky road, but you know, we made it through, and it allowed me to be able to pursue a career and to do something I've always dreamed of doing.
I'm Cassidy Winkles. I'm 16. This is my 4th semester at Columbia College, and I want to be a plastic surgeon. And I've taken both biology classes and chemistry classes here at the college, and I felt that the equipment and like the technology that they have has really helped further than what I would have had at the high school.
I'm trying to get my AS right now, and then once I'm out of Columbia College, I want to go to UC Davis to get my bachelor's degree in biology, and then UCLA for my doctorate. So yeah, I've taken Biology 17 here at the college, and I loved the microscopes and the building, and just how friendly the classrooms are, the way they're set up so we can do group activities. Helpful.
So, like I said, I've taken a number of biology and chemistry classes here, and some of them were in the Sequoia building, which my wife stated the whole building was like the size of this classroom. It was awkward with the size. It was awkward with the using of large equipment. You know, like dissecting a cat is half this table, and there was people bumping into each other, and there wasn't a lot of room, so not everybody really got the hands on everything. Where the new building is amazing. They have, if the teacher looks up something on a microscope, they can project the whole class to see. Not everybody has to line up and look. It's faster, it's easier, it's just amazing. They have projectors now that project the whole, he can work with his hands and it projects right onto the board. So we can still sit in our seats and see everything instead of the front people get there fast and the back people are staring at the back of people's heads.
I think it's actually pretty unbelievable the amount of growth that has gone out here since I attended, like you said, in Sequoia. The lab then compared to now, I mean, it seems like it was only like the size of this classroom alone.
It's not only the size, but the technology that came in, and then just the safety aspect of it. The prep room is way bigger. People aren't bumping into each other and drop hazards and stuff. Each classroom has a fire blanket and its own eye wash station and shower, whereas before it was in the prep room and we weren't in there often, so it was like a maze to find it. We're here, we're in the classroom every day, we know where everything is. Pre-Sugar Pine was compact, and it was just difficult to learn as much as possible just because of space and time constraint. Here it's, I think, much more beneficial. And with the new cadaver lab would make it really, I think, cool for the nursing students.
Yeah, I was pretty excited about the stiffs. Yeah, well, we just did the cats, you know, cats and rats. and actually, I got splashed in the eye.
Cat juice?
With cat juice, yeah. Because the area we're working in was so small, you know?
Yeah, it was like
We had to
6 people would be
share.
around a table like this size.
This size we were sharing, correct.
This is a vent also, like in the chemistry building. Those are vents. This is a vent too. So instead of smelling cat all day, it keeps the air clean, and it's a lot nicer to dissect things. I'm sure you dissected your
Rat.
your rat under there.
Shark.
Yeah. The next level expects you to know all the things you learned here. There's no, rebooting. There's no going back over stuff. So all the equipment you used here, or I used here, I won't see again until I get to the hospital. So it's like imperative that you get hands-on that stuff as much as possible here, and especially with the new building, there's so much more opportunity to actually be hands-on, smaller group size, so everybody gets involved. So that was super helpful. I would say to future students to really take the opportunities the school gives you. In that I mean the professors. They are a huge resource that I think are underused. They're always willing to help, open door policy, they're easy to find, and that is something that disappears away from this school.